Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites: an Azure subscription, Logic App Standard, and required permissions. Once confirmed, enable the Data Factory managed identity so the Logic app can be invoked securely. Next, create or open your ADF pipeline and add a web activity as the first actionable step. Make sure to configure linked services and endpoints now. This prevents connectivity issues later. I'll explain how to wire the web activity to your Logic app and why the managed identity keeps credentials out of code. Now you configure the integration details. First, design a Logic app with an HTTP request trigger and save it to obtain the trigger URL. This is necessary to accept calls from ADF. Once done, switch to your ADF web activity and set authentication to managed identity, choosing the Logic app's resource if needed, then select Post and paste the URL. Map pipeline variables into a JSON body so the Logic app receives structured data. Run a test to validate headers, status codes, and finish by hardening the workflow. Add retries, timeouts, and logging in both ADF and the Logic app so transient failures don't break processing. Once complete, execute a full pipeline run and inspect ADF and Logic app run histories to verify input and outputs. This is how you confirm end-to-end flow. If the call fails with authorization errors, recheck role assignments for the managed identity and ensure you use the save trigger URL. If payload issues occur, validate JSON schema and required properties before rerunning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.